Assalamu alaikum student. This is Dr. Nishad, your course instructor. Today this is our 13th lecture. In this lecture we will talk about promoter and its types. In this topic we will discuss about general description of the promoters, in which we will talk about structure and function of promoters, types of promoters based on the CG contents, then what are the bidirectional promoters, general types of the promoters. So let's start. What is a promoter? A promoter is a region of DNA that initiates transcription of a particular gene. Sequence of DNA, specific sequence of DNA, which help to start the transcription process. Promoters are located near the transcription start sites of genes on the same strands and upstream of the DNA toward the 5' region of sense strand. Upstream of DNA sequence is actually the opposite side of transcriptional direction. Like we say, if transcription start point is nucleotide number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's in plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, so on. But on opposite direction, which is called upstream direction, it is a -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Mostly promoters are present on the upstream region in minus sequences with minus numbers. Promoters can be about 100 to 1000 base pairs long. It's depends what type of promoters and in which organism, especially is it prokaryotic or eukaryotic promoter. This diagram overall showing the promoters. Core promoter region, is actually overall region in which different promoters are present. Data box is present in core promoter. With data box, different transcription related proteins are present, like transcription factors, other proteins that are enhancers, and especially RNA polymerase, which run this process or catalyze this process. So this is overall view of promoters present in the DNA sequence. Conserved eukaryotic promoter elements and their consensus sequences. These conserved eukaryotic promoters elements like CAT, CAAT box. This specific nucleotide sequence present in a DNA sequence, and that DNA sequence is the consensus sequences should be like GGC, CAAT, CT. Next conserved eukaryotic promoter element is Tata box, showing in the consensus sequences. GC box also showing in the consensus sequence. Cap site is TAC. TAC actually 5' end. If we make it its complementary, that will be the ATG. ATG, you know, it's a start sequence, start nucleotide, which will code a specific amino acid. So it is present on the 5' end. Function of promoter. What is the function of promoter? Promoters are the regions which help to bind the RNA polymerases on specific sequence. Promoter is the initiation of transcription. At the region of promoter, transcription initiate. In promoter regions, regulatory sequences are present. Promoter control by regulatory sequences which control the expression of genes. This is the overall gene organization. You look here, RNA polymerase attached in promoter region. At the extreme right of the promoter region, that is a Tata box. RNA polymerase showed in a red oval shape. Next is the transcription factors and regulatory proteins are also present with the RNA polymerase. Promoter region highlighted with the yellow shade. So promoter region is overall core promoter region, and Tata box is a promoter sequence present on the extreme right of promoter region. RNA polymerase will start transcription and mRNA will be synthesized. So this is overall view of gene organization on the with the different proteins. Prokaryotic promoters as shown here in this diagram. These are present -10 box to -35 box, which is called as Primnow box. Look here on the this diagram or image, -10 to -35. This is the region where the promoter are present. Two boxes are far apart from a specific distance, so they are located on the same face of the double helix. On both DNA strand, same promoter regions are present. So +1 is the point from where the transcription will start. This is the prokaryotic promoter. Then what about the eukaryotic promoter? Eukaryotic promoters have two parts. Core promoters are the basal promoters, and upstream promoter elements, that is one or more. Core promoter is constituted by data box and transcription start sites as shown here in this diagram. Core promoter are with the data box and transcription start sites. Initiation complex bind to the core promoter. In initiation complex, different proteins will involve and have to start transcription. Upstream elements are responsible for regulation of transcription. Next is the regulation of transcription. How transcription can be regulated. Two categories of regulatory sequences are present in the DNA regions. One is the activating sequences. Activating sequences are also called enhancers, and other regulatory sequences repressing sequences, which are also called silencers. In prokaryotes, regulatory sequences are located around the promoters, but in eukaryotes, regulatory sequences are often upstream the promoter at about 100 base pair away, but sometimes they are far away, even several thousand nucleotides, or they can also be downstream from the promoters. Next is the types of promoters. There are two types of promoters based on the CpG contents. CpG is actually GC. C for cytosine, G for guanine, P actually showing here phosphate. Cytosine followed by a guanine linked together by a phosphate. We write it shortly CpG. CpG island is a region of DNA which have a higher concentration of CpG. Based on CpG content, there are two types of promoters. One is with the high CpG contents, shortly say HCG. Higher CpG content is 72%. This is one type of promoter, and other type of promoters have less CpG content, that is up to 28%, which is a overall characteristic of a genome. In HCG and CPG, in HCG, the CPG region is symmetric and peaks around the core promoter, especially around the transcription start sites. DNA methylation occurs on cytosine in 5' position. So what has effect of DNA methylation on the function of the promoter? DNA methylation inhibits transcription if methylated region is close to a promoter, which is a case for CPG islands. CPG island associated with HCG are often hypomethylated. Hypomethylated mean less methylation. If CPG island is less methylated, then there will be more expression of the gene. Hypomethylated mean more expressed. Where this occur, it is often associated with the housekeeping gene. Whereas in the promoter, where lower CPG are often methylated, so inhibit the expression of the gene. This often find in the tissue specific genes. With CPG islands around promoters, possibility to have methylation mediated regulation. Next is the bidirectional promoters. Bidirectional promoters are the pair of the genes controlled by same promoter. Two genes but controlled by a single promoter. Pairs of the genes controlled by same promoter but located on opposite direction and on opposite strand. Their transcription start sites are separated by less than 1000 base pair. Generally, they are rich in CPG content. How they work? Function of the genes represented in bidirectional classes are often. What is the function of genes related to bidirectional class? Is the DNA repair genes, chaperone proteins, and mitochondrial genes. Genes controlled by bidirectional promoters are often co-expressed, but a majority of the bidirectional genes have a mutual exclusive expression. So no correlation between length of promoter and degree of expression. Genes of bidirectional promoters shared some element of the promoter. If there is deletion of transcription start sites of one transcript, the transcription of the gene on opposite direction is increased. So in this way we can say transcription of two genes which is controlled by a single promoter is with the normal speed, but if one transcription from two genes, one transcription stop or delete or terminate, then other transcription will be speed up. Bidirectional promoters act as an inseparable functional units which regulate transcription of both genes. Next is the types of promoters. These are the general types of promoters. General types of promoters. First one is constitutive promoters. Constitutive promoter induce the expression of downstream located coding region in all tissue irrespective of environmental or developmental factors. Example is plant pathogen promoters like CAMV35 promoter. Inducible promoters. The activity of these promoters is induced by the presence or absence of biotic or abiotic factors or any type of compound. Because their expression is normally restricted to certain plant tissues, they can also be considered as a tissue specific. Based on the nature of the factors that trigger their expression, they are divided into two groups. First is chemically regulated promoter, other is physically regulated promoters. In chemically regulated promoters, chemical compounds are involved. Chemical compounds usually not naturally found within plants switch on promoter activity. Several of the types of promoters involve chimeric components gathered from human, animal, fungi, and bacterial sources. So, chemically regulated promoters need to a specific type of chemicals or compound to switch on, to start its work. Other is physically regulated promoter. Here physical factor is required, where abiotic and external factors such as light, heat, mechanical injury induce activity of these promoters. Next type is tissue specific promoters. These promoters operate in particular tissues and at certain developmental stages. These may be induced by endogenous and exogenous factors. some examples of tissue specific promoters are the tomato PZ7 and PZ130 gene promoters. These promoters for the ovary gene expression. Next is the synthetic promoters. Synthetic promoters comprises consensus DNA sequences of common elements of natural promoter regions. Which are the synthetic promoters? Maize ubiquitin 1 gene, shortly write UBI1, core promoter. Maize ubiquitin 1 gene, core promoter. Cytomegalovirus promoter, shortly write CMV, cytomegalovirus promoter. CAG promoter. In CAG promoter, 3 types of further promoter involved, like CMV, actin and globulin. CAG promoter include CMV, actin and globulin. These are the general types of the promoters we discussed at the end. So it's all about promoter. What is a promoter? Structure and function of promoters. Then types of promoter, general types of the promoters, and promoters on the basis of CpG contents. These were the contents which we discussed today.